All right, since we got done painting this thing and I'm all dusty, we're gonna go ahead and replace the headlights. So we're gonna replace the headlights in the 4Runner. Got some new ones in this package. Right here. Now I had my helper, Xavier, remove the front cowl, this black shielding that was here in the middle. He removed that already. Now we just need to remove this 1, 2 bolt, 3 bolts on both sides, so that way we can remove the headlights. Yeah, get that one. Not strip it out either. 10 millimeter.
Look at my water.
After you're done, because this is recorded. Where is it?
It's inside.
We'll do that. Take this bottom one out. Looks like this one here.
I see. I told you
Told me what?
to take this one out.
I just said we gotta take that one out. Gentle.
I know. Yes, I do. It already broke. Get this off. There's like stuck.
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Hold on, look on the inside.
Okay, there are 4 bolts. One here, 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 back here, and then all the way down underneath here. It's really hard to see on this side. Let me go ahead and show you on this side. But down in there, there's a bracket that holds this in place. It's right here. Now that bracket attaches down here. So to get to that, you have to remove the fender lining so that way you can reach around inside of there. Now I used something a little more unconventional because the easiest way to do it is to remove the whole bumper. This bumper is old and the bolts are all rusted, and I didn't feel like doing all that. So I just got this with a little angle, and I went underneath on the inside, basically pushed the bumper out a little bit so that way I can get at a right angle, and unscrewed it. So now this comes out. Here, and down here, but this part attaches to the headlight, so it comes out forward. There's a difference of what we're doing. Old versus new. Let's get the other side transferred over. All right, there we go. Look at that, looking brand new. It's a pretty simple upgrade that keeps your car looking nice. If you like the content that I have on this channel, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what else you think I should do to this old 4Runner of mine. And that wraps up this one. So until the next one, peace.